If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day. Let's watch this. Let's watch this. This is Kang Daniel, PH1, and We Them Boys. Oh, okay. Yes, sir. Not too far. Let's go. Ooh. Oh, what an interesting set. Na, na, na. Ooh, okay, footwork. All around the world. What you doing? What you doing? Hey, hey, hey. Where we going? Rolling like a buffalo. Ooh, let's go, Harry. Wait, what's in those bags? Like paper? Because I thought it was like weed. I don't know if that's that though. Hey, okay, let's go. PH1. Okay. Da, Where we flying to though? Hey, 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 hey. What you wanna do? Ooh, na na. I watch ya, hey. Ooh, in the red? Hey. 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 Woo. Woo. Ooh, okay. A lot better than I thought, actually. Ooh. Anywhere. Let's go. Ooh. No, you want, girl? Hey. Nirvana. Shake the ass, girl. Let's go. Who put the fart? Who put the fart when we're jamming out? Shame on you. Anyways, let's continue. It dies. Ooh, very upbeat, very dancing. I like it a lot. I mean, it got me dancing, got me partying. So, hey, 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 go Daniel, go Daniel, go Daniel. Hey, let's go, Kang Daniel. Ah, really good. That was fire. That was fire. That was a good. Wait, hold up. That was a good time. Shout out to Kang Daniel. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.